amazing, beautiful crochet family. I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone. And I have another video to show you because I sent my husband, y'all, to Hobby Lobby, like the title says on my little thumbnail. I sent him to Hobby Lobby with $20 for the clearance sale. Now, let me give you a little backstory really quickly. I went to Hobby Lobby. I have two Hobby Lobbies close to me. I went to one and they were like kind of cleaned out. People went in there and it was like, you know what? We had a good time. And I am not a hater on that. I'm glad they did because they got mostly everything I guess I wanted, because a lot of the yarns that was left, I was not a fan. So I got like four pieces from that store. So I went to another store, the other one. They didn't mark down anything yet. So I told my husband, I said, you know what? I think what would be really cool is if you go in the Hobby Lobby with the clearance sale and get $20 worth of yarn. Y'all, I don't know what I was doing. I don't know what I was thinking sending him in there. Because listen, woo, it's going to be exciting to see what he actually got. Now, the thing is, it was him and my oldest son, who is 15 years old. He was with him too. So I'm thinking a combination of this yarn is them, which I may put them on the thumbnail of this video, the two of them, because I'm pretty sure both of them had something in this bag here, because I'm gonna show you. He came back with this bag, which is a good size bag. I'm like, and I had to tell him, I said, listen, go into Hobby Lobby and look for the things with the orange stickers. That's our clearance. And you know, so I'm not even going back to Hobby Lobby for yarn, because I'm gonna be perfectly honest, I do not need any more Hobby Lobby yarns. I don't need any yarn, period. So I'm not overly excited about getting specific yarn. I did grab do I have it? Yeah. See, I threw it on this shelf. I did grab these two the last time I went, and these were two yarns that I really wanted to try from the Hobby Lobby. So I got these. I'm really excited about them. So, and I'm not even have plans to use them, but I was super excited to be able to get my hands on it to add it to my collection, my hank collection. So I'm happy with that. Now, my biggest 2023 yarn haul that I want to do is with ice yarns. Now, whenever that's happening, I know it's going to happen in 2023. When? I don't know when, but guess what? When I do it, I'm going to make a video about it, and y'all are going to enjoy it as much as I do, because we're going to unbox that ice yarn together. So I'm going to go ahead and put that out there. So when y'all see that, you'll be like, she said it. She said it. So let's get into this unboxing or unbagging. Here we go again with unboxing, unbagging. So I'm going to kind of stick it up here, and let's see what they got. Right away, chunky spiral. Huh, look at that. That's real chunky. Chunky spiral, yarn bead chunky spiral, 60% acrylic, 28% polyamide, 12% wool, 7 jumbo. I never had a 7 jumbo. I don't know what I would do with this yarn, y'all. And it is initially $19.99, and they got it for $4.99. I don't know what I will actually do with this. So if y'all have used this before, put in the comments below. Let me know what you used it for, how you used it, because I wouldn't know what to do. But I think it's beautiful. I really think it's absolutely beautiful. But it don't take much for me to think anything is beautiful, y'all. I'm so grateful and appreciative. Like, that's awesome. So let's keep going. Then we have some Fireside, yarn bead Fireside. Okay, look at that. That's different. This is a weight 5 bulky. Okay, I don't know what I would do with this either, but guess what? Hey, it ain't gonna take me long to figure it out. I can actually look on Ravelry too, because Ravelry have this thing where you put in the yarn and it shows you projects that people made with that yarn, which is an awesome feature. If you have not checked out Ravelry, not sponsored at all, but I'm telling you that is a good feature. So we have Fireside in the color Water Droplet. I like that. This is awesome because, oh, I see another one. I see another fireside, and this one is in Mandarin. Ooh, that's pretty though. Look at that. I don't know what I would do with this. It looks like it's a blanket on here. You know what? It could be the start of a granny square, but I don't know how it would look up in that stitch. You know, how would this yarn look in that stitch? I'm not sure. This is beautiful though. I'll figure something out. Okay, so we have that. Keep going. We have Yarn Bee True Color Super Bulky. Ooh, they are on it with the bulky yarn. I'm telling you, this is awesome. Jumbo number 7. Now, what I really would say I like about this is periwinkle. What I really like about the yarn so far that they have chosen, to be honest, is that it's nothing that I would ever choose. But for me as a creative and the person that I am, I'm super excited to think like, what can I do with these yarns? Because I would never have picked it. Not that I don't like it. I wouldn't know what to do with it. So for the way my mind works, as you see, I got a little quiet. I'm a little like more in a different space because mentally my mind is working like, how can I use this? What can I do with this? So I'm that type of creative. I'm that person that's like, how can I use this yarn? So that is going to be the exciting thing, because I do not plan on keeping these in my collection just to collect dust. No, I want to challenge myself on different ways that I can actually use these things. So it's going to be a fun ride. So we have the True Color Super Bulky. Oh, I have 2 of these now. We have the Bernette Blanket tie-dye. Y'all already saw. If you saw my other video where I said I got like 4 different yarns, one of them was the tie-dye in this color, and I got it in a blue as well. So I have 2 of the blankets, which I love the blankets because they make very, I mean, when I say they make such great plushies for your amigurumis. Listen. Ooh, yeah. Okay. We have Royal Guard, Color Play Royal Guard. This is a size 6. So we have, this look like something that I probably have, I don't know if it's behind me. I'm sorry, I'm looking behind me. I don't know if it's behind me or I have it in the hall or in my closet, but I have, this looks something similar to, I don't know, it's pretty though. It looks similar to something I have before. So this one is, it says, 100% acrylic. So I want to say, for some reason, I think I have some of this size 6 bulky. I don't know. Maybe it's a different brand, but similar. You know how sometimes some looks alike and this and this and then there, boom, boom, pow. Maybe. But it's cute. It's gorgeous. I love the red and white. It kind of reminds me more like a Christmas candy cane type thing. And the last one in the bunch. Oh, this is pretty. This looks like it's braided. This is a Showstopper. I like the name. Showstopper knit in ivory. And this is a bulky 7 again. So they went with all bulky yarns, which is awesome. And we have 50% acrylic, 35% polyamide, and 15% wool. And this is an ivory. So they went with a bulky weight. Because the 6 are above. 6 and 7 is all of the things that they had. Now, I would say, now, see, I told y'all my mind works as I'm actually working. So mentally, I do things mentally and physically. It's like we work it all over. But one thing that just came to me is like, how would it look? Because since I have, wait a minute, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 different skeins of yarn. How would it look if I collectively put all 7 together and make a bulky, super bulky? I mean super bulky scrap blanket out of all the yarns. Now listen, I know we're working with a whole bunch of different fibers in there. We got some wool, we got polyamide, we got acrylic, we got all these different things, right? How would that look though to make the ultimate like Hobby Lobby chunky scrap blanket? I think I'm on to something. I don't know though. I don't know. y'all. I do not know. Y'all let me know in the comments below. But first, one thing I would say though, if I do that, I don't know with the other one that I said was like the fireside yarn. I don't know if I want to use that in there because I think I may use that for something because something else is coming to mind. But it would be an awesome thing to do. Get like a big needle and just make like the ultimate scrap blanket, and it could be just like one of those things. I don't know, like make it my 2023 Hobby Lobby clearance chunky scrap blanket. Let me know in the comments below what y'all think about that. Let me know what y'all thought about the Hobby Lobby sales. Was y'all able to get some of the yarn on the Hobby Lobby sales? And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're having a wonderful, beautiful, amazing day, because guess what? You are just as beautiful as all of these yarns that we showed today. Yes! So, with that being said, I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone. I will see you next time.